Wanderlusters. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: how to stay safe while traveling solo anywhere in the world. Whether you're backpacking through Thailand, sipping espresso in Italy, or chasing the northern lights in Iceland, I've got your back with the ultimate safety tips to keep your solo adventure fun, fearless, and fabulous. So grab your passport, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Solo travel is the best. There's nothing like exploring the world on your own terms. But let's be real, it can also be a little intimidating. I mean, who hasn't watched a thriller movie and thought, hmm, maybe I shouldn't talk to that charming stranger at the train station? But don't worry, I've traveled to over 20 countries solo, and I'm here to share my top safety hacks, plus a few funny stories of my own mishaps, so you can travel with confidence. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that might just save your trip. Let's do this. First things first, research is your BFF. Before you jet off, do a deep dive into your destination. Look up local customs, safe neighborhoods, and any travel advisories. For example, when I went to Morocco, I learned that dressing modestly was key to avoiding unwanted attention. Trust me, you don't want to be the girl in a crop top at a souk getting stared at like you're an alien. Here's what to do. 1. Check travel forums like Reddit or TripAdvisor for real solo traveler experiences. 2. Download offline maps on Google Maps. I've gotten lost in places with zero signal, and this saved me. 3. And pro tip, search for women-only hostels or tours if you're feeling extra cautious. They're a great way to meet other badass solo travelers like you. Oh, and one more thing. Always share your itinerary with a friend or family member. I use an app called Find My Friends so my sister can track me. She once called me mid-hike in Peru to ask why I was in the middle of nowhere. I told her I was chasing a llama for the perfect Instagram shot. Next up, packing like a safety queen. Your suitcase isn't just for cute outfits. It's your survival kit. Here are my must-haves. 1. A doorstop alarm. This little gadget wedges under your hotel door and screams if someone tries to break in. I used one in a sketchy hostel in Bangkok, and let's just say it gave me peace of mind while I slept. 2. A fake wallet. Fill it with some expired cards and a little cash, and keep your real valuables in a hidden money belt. If someone tries to rob you, hand over the fake one and run. 3. A whistle or personal alarm. I clip mine to my bag. It's loud enough to scare off creepers and get attention if you're in trouble. 4. Portable charger. Your phone is your lifeline, so keep it charged. I once got lost in a Tokyo alley at midnight, and my phone dying was not an option. And here's a fun tip. Pack a decoy item to distract pickpockets, like a cheap pair of earbuds dangling out of your bag. They'll grab those instead of your real stuff. Sneaky, right? Now that you're at your destination, it's time to channel your inner street smart traveler. Here's how to stay safe while exploring. Blend in, don't scream tourist, with a giant map and a fanny pack. Dress like a local, walk with confidence, and keep your camera tucked away when you're not using it. When I was in Paris, I pretended to be a local by carrying a baguette under my arm, worked like a charm until I dropped it on the metro. Trust your gut. If a situation feels off, get out of there. I once had a guy in Bali offer to show me a shortcut to the beach. My gut said nope, and I later found out he was known for scamming tourists. Always listen to that inner voice. Fake it till you make it. If you're lost or feeling uneasy, pretend you know exactly where you're going. Pop in your earbuds and act like you're on a call. I fake talk my way out of so many awkward situations. Oh yeah, I'm just around the corner. See you soon. Works every time. Avoid risky areas at night. Stick to well-lit, busy areas, and use trusted transportation like Uber or local ride apps. I always screenshot my driver's info and send it to a friend, just in case. Let's talk tech, because your phone is basically your travel superhero. Here are my favorite apps for staying safe. bSafe. This app lets you set up a fake call to get you out of sketchy situations, and it can alert your emergency contacts if you're in danger. Google Translate. Not knowing the language can make you vulnerable. I once accidentally told a cab driver in Spain to take me to the moon instead of the hotel. Thank goodness for Translate. WhatsApp. Use it to stay in touch with locals or new friends you meet. I always join local travel groups to get real-time tips on safe spots to visit. And don't forget to turn on location sharing with a trusted contact. It's like having a virtual travel buddy watching over you. Oh, and one gadget I swear by: a smart tracker like Tile for your luggage. I lost my backpack in Amsterdam, but Tile helped me find it in a cafe I'd forgotten I visited. Total lifesaver. There you have it, my ultimate guide to staying safe while traveling solo anywhere in the world. You're ready to explore with confidence, make epic memories, and maybe even chase a llama or two. But before you go, here's that bonus tip I promised. Always have a Plan B outfit in your carry-on, like a scarf or hat that can help you blend into a new culture or cover up if you're feeling exposed. It's saved me more times than I can count. If you love this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a travel tip. Tell me in the comments, where are you dreaming of traveling solo next? I'll be reading every single one. Until next time, stay safe, travel smart, and keep exploring the world your way.